Hello everyone. Today I introduce this small chip. It's a voice amplifier chip. Its name is PAM8403 and it's super micro. It's as big as a nail. And you can wear the chip like this. And input voltage 2.5 voltage, and you can use battery or USB cable to support the power supply. And it supports 2 speakers to make stereo sound. At most 3-volt speaker. It's really simple to connect the wires. And this is my sound voice. And the voice comes from here, then through this line, through this headphone line. I cut the headphone line to 3 pins, and these 3 pins, this is the middle leg is the ground, connect the ground. These 2 lines connects with speaker. I use the blackboard to do this experiment. This is the headphone ground line. This 2 line is speaker. So the voice input from here, and through this small chip, then can output the big signal to driver speaker, and this chip supports 2 speakers at the same time. So you can connect the 2 speakers, this and this. Just a reminder, this chip needs 5 voltage power supply from this. And this connects the positive, this connects the negative. So you can see all the wire connections as the red photo. I just use a small speaker because I only have this one. If you have 2 speakers, you can connect both the speaker to this chip, and that will make a stereo sound. Let's take a look at the effect.
累积了半年的头发就剪掉了。准备充足哈。对，当然。好了，那马上事不宜迟，第一位登场是谁呢？大家心慌闪耀时也可以作为一个参考，但是呢，最好的还是在公屏当中刷出1或者2。对，刚刚是看到是刷1比较多的，就刚刚在几分钟前吧。对。好，那我们就先。
This sound is from the
有请司仪。
FM station.
我也期待很久了。司仪最近面带桃花的感觉。
I think the sound level is enough for human ear. And you can use another version of this chip. Like this version, potentiometer port is added to this chip. So you can rotate this handle to increase or decrease the volume.